Welcome back to part 3 of our staffing guide. In this episode, we're going to take a bit more of a look at how do we hire the staff after we made the application, where do we go and post out the application, how do we find Discord staff, how do we get people to apply, and how we can go about them getting to fill out the form. So we've got our form here, we've finished it, we've pulled the information we need in it, and we want to start collecting responses now. So we've got the form, but we kind of need to advertise the position a bit. One great new tool that just came out that I like to use is called OpenAI. And essentially OpenAI is a bit like a chatbot, it's like an artificial intelligence tool. We can give it a prompt and it can type out a paragraph or so. Before we get into that though, we need to write an advertisement for our application. We can't just go posting the application link, we need to actually show people why they should join our staff team, why they should apply, what the benefits are, so on and so forth. So I'm going to say, for and need to be analyzed. So we go submit, and yeah, it's basically just giving us a bit of a prompt we can use. So that looks good. We can also go, we click send here, we click the link button here just to get a link. We shorten the URL just to make it easier, and we go and paste it here. This now is our advertisement. I'll put it in Notepad. To hire staff, where do we post this link? You know, what do we do with it? We've made the advertisement, we've made the link. What do we do with it now? One tool we can use, this is called discordhome.com/jobs, where people post their advertisement and you can hire them. So you can go through this site, click on people if you want to find more information about them, you can contact them, get in touch, all those kind of things. Yeah, you can find stuff this way, but if we're wanting to use the application form, the best way is going to be in a Discord server. So I'm in the Advertiser Discord server, discord.gg/promote. We can go down to the looking for mods. So this is a channel if we're looking for moderators. We can post our thing here, and yeah, so we can post the link, we'll check the pins. So it'll post here, and this is essentially how we can go about finding staff to join our server. This is more of a way if we're looking to get staff from other sources. Really, when it comes down to it, you want to be hiring staff from within your server. So ideally you just want to post this in the announcements channel. You don't want to be going into other servers because you're going to get people who aren't in your Discord server. So only if you're really looking to expand substantially do you want to be looking for moderators outside of your server, or if you have enough people in your server to moderate it. So you really just want to stick to your announcements channel. So you can post this basically in your announcements channel, put a deadline on it, and after that deadline go through the applications, pick who you think the best moderator is going to be, and you can go from there. This is just a shorter video as really you just want to be posting in your own server. I hope this helps with your staffing needs. As always, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and best of luck with your community.